So I want to share with you two hot tips. First one is, I just want to say as a blanket statement, RSS is extremely powerful. There's a lot that can be done with it. There's a lot that's being done with it. But in the spirit of being efficient and getting information quickly and disseminating it properly, determine if it's worth exploring further. Google Reader, I don't know of anything else that's more efficient. Taking it to the next level, if you've heard of FriendFeed, FriendFeed is basically a central deposit of information related to a given profile on FriendFeed. That's all I'm going to say about that right now. But if you go to friendfeed.com/Travis Now, and I'm just giving this as mine as an example, you can do this with your own friend feed, you can do this with other people's friend feeds. You can just highlight this, right-click and copy, and subscribe to people's friend feeds, because information that they tie to their friend feed profile will flow into that. You'll notice over here that there's comments, there's videos, there's things on Facebook, there's other products, lots of things that are posted there that you just don't get on everything on Twitter or in Google Reader shares or so on and so forth. I even have Google Reader as a shared item in here that posts through FriendFeed. So you can subscribe to people's friend feed. You just paste them in there after adding it, after hitting add a subscription, hit add, and there's all the friend feed items for this person. One thing you can do, and I don't want to overwhelm you, but you can rename the subscription so it's more orderly. I've got a bunch of categorizations that I've set up in my Google Reader, but you can subscribe simply and easily to people's friend feeds. Now, some of you, I've gotten some feedback from subscribers over at the YouTube channel, travisonyoutube.com. Some of you, if you're a friend or you're a subscriber of the channel, you might know what I'm talking about, have complained because YouTube doesn't really do a good job updating people when a video is made available immediately. And my thing is, if I want to be like the first to comment on a video of someone that I'm following, or the first to know a piece of information that's going to help my clients to get a leg up, the subscribe mechanism, the communication mechanism within YouTube, from a subscriber's perspective, it's just not efficient, not fast enough. Created a special link, and you just click add the subscription, and you put http:/, we're going to use click cli.gs, it's a shortener, URL shortener, YouTube RSS, okay, and you hit add. So it's http://cli.gs/YouTube RSS. I'll hit add, and that grabs the RSS feed and pulls it into Google Reader for all the videos that are out there on that channel. You can see them there here. So you can now watch for updates that come through on a given YouTube channel, in this case Marketing Professor's YouTube channel, right here in Google Reader. Now you can't play them yet, but you can click on them and it'll take you right there. So I would strongly encourage you, if you haven't already, to get going with Google Reader. I think, and then you can share that with a note as well. You'll get updated, particularly for weekly wrap-ups and different product reviews that are done through MarketingProfessor.com. But get people to subscribe through Google Reader, that's your own followers, so that they can get your information faster. YouTube videos is a perfect example of that. But really, Google Reader makes it much easier than just browsing websites every day. Much easier to consume a lot more information. And you have all the search functionality. I've even gone into the search functionality or the subscription categorization, how you do all that, grouping. It's a very powerful application. The biggest part is that you can share the information with those that are your friends. You need to be building friends in Google Reader and friends in Google Friend Connect. So I strongly encourage you to check out Google Reader. It's going to save a lot of time. Make sure you're using the list view and not the expanded view to save time as well. Well, this has been a long video. I hope you got some value from it. My name is Travis Campbell of MarketingProfessor.com about Google Reader. We'll speak with you next time on the web.